Scott River is a river in the southwest of Western Australia, being a tributary to the Blackwood River where it joins just east of Molloy Island. It is partly within the Scott National Park, which is named after the river. Similarly, the coastal plain that the river lies on goes east to Walpole is known as the Scott Coastal Plain. It is northeast of Augusta and south of the Brockman Highway. Scott River Road is the main access road into the catchment area, which leaves the highway near Alexander Bridge. The river catchment area has evidence of early indigenous usage of the area. It is the habitat of Boronia exilis, otherwise known as Scott River Boronia, as well as other threatened plant communities. The catchment area was known to have iron ore reserves, and the area had a short-lived sand mine operation, BHP Billiton Beenup. The hydrogeology and water condition of the area is sensitive to pollutants and human activity, and mining and other activities have usually not passed the requirements to not damage the catchment area. References